Alrighty, next example. So all of these examples, I am just trying to mix up the quantity and nature of different things. The procedure in answering the questions is completely identical, but I tried to mix up. Sometimes there's this, sometimes not, sometimes more than one, different things. Um, Definitely look at all of the, so you can see enough to see a variation on, especially the horizontal asymptote or slant. Like that, and you can, if you know the rule, you can look at it and jump ahead or whatever. It's all good. We only got a couple of more, so may as well stick it out. All right, so denominator not equal to 0. That's our domain. Like that. Numerator, use that to determine the x-intercepts. We have a duplicate x value from what we excluded in the domain, so only one x-intercept. Is it a whole? Is it a vertical asymptote? So we need to simplify the function. After we simplify it, both of the values still cause us to divide by 0. So both of those will be our vertical asymptotes as equations, and there's not a hole in this particular graph. Awesome. Y-intercept. Well, we can't plug a 0 in there because we divide by 0. So not a y-intercept on this one either. And horizontal or slant, compare the degrees numerator denominator. Numerator's less than, so our default, I always think of it as the, anyways, y equals 0, otherwise known as the x-axis, but always write it as an equation there. And just like before, you're going to start with the points, and we only have one x-intercept, and we got the asymptotes. So on all three of these regions, it's hard to know whether it's above or below. So just do some test points, and we've already done this. You're just solving an inequality. Is it positive or negative? So if I picked, like, x is -10, plug it into the equation, the answer's negative, and I know that part far out to the left is below the x-axis, the horizontal asymptote, and then it curves upwards like that. Likewise for between the 0 and the 3, x equals 1. And then likewise for greater than 3, I'm going to plug in whatever number, 10 or 5, whatever you like, and see that it's positive like that. So this one needed test values to fully understand it. As you can see on the x-intercept on the left, it does go through the horizontal asymptote, and that's perfectly fine. In the notes, I say that. Can't cross the vertical, but it can cross a horizontal or slant, as you see there. And we're at the end of that one. Look at that.